So I'm going to show you how to install new rage cycles for turn signals for 2015 Ducati Monster 821. This will be a quick installation with no wire cutting. There will be some soldering and taping up of all the wires, but that's about it. Take a look. Start by turning the whole turn signal assembly around just a little bit to get access to the bolt. That's a 5mm hex key, and then simply remove the whole assembly out. Remove the small Phillips head holding the bulb assembly. Remove the cover and then remove the bulb holder. Next, remove wire connectors. On the inside there's another 5mm hex bolt. Loosen that up. You don't have to remove it. It's just to loosen up this part so you can pull the light out. Snip off the zip tie. Be careful not to cut the wires, they're pretty small. And pull the wires out through the hole. Might have to do it one by one because the hole is pretty small and two of these connectors won't fit through. And then pull the wires out completely and put this aside. Okay, now so before you start buttoning everything up, make sure you temporarily connect the wires. You can just twist them around the connectors just to make sure everything works before you solder and seal everything up. Polarity does matter, so if you've got it wrong, switch the wires around. Since the stock wires are both black, there's really no way to tell easily, so just try either way. Let's see if this works. Turn the ignition on and turn the blinker, and it works. Okay, I don't know if you can tell that I am not using resistors here. Either this bike doesn't need them, or since I have LED taillight, that since there are resistors back there, that it's picking those up. They're probably on the same circuit. So check before you do anything with your bike. I got these from New Rage Cycles, and if you mention what bike you have, they will install resistors on there for you with no charge, what I've been told, so check with them. Alright, now that you have everything soldered up, taped up, you can use supplied zip ties and tie the loose wires in the back. There's plenty of room, and just go ahead and put them on.